My name is Michelle Alfini, and my paper is about human rights violations in Olympic host countries and how U.S. newspapers covered those. To do my research, I used a content analysis, so that means that I looked at newspaper articles in the New York Times and the Washington Post, and I looked through it looking for certain frames, particularly human rights frames, and I compared the type of human rights violations that were discussed in the newspaper articles to those found in Amnesty International reports, which publish a list of human rights violations that every country does every year. I've been working on this research for a long time. It's part of my Lumen project. And I started getting interested in the connection between human rights and the Olympics back in 2008 with the Beijing Olympics. But then also I have a friend from Brazil, and when he started talking about the human rights situations going on in his country as they were preparing to host the Olympics, and I started working on my Lumen proposal around the time that the Sochi Olympics were going on. And so I decided to focus on those Olympic Games and look at the human rights situation surrounding those games.